Congratulations on your LYNX Touch, an incredibly innovative and surprisingly simple security system, only from Honeywell. This brilliant touchscreen puts information and control at your fingertips. So easy to use, LYNX Touch actually talks to you while protecting your home and family in style. Let's review how your LYNX Touch security system operates. Security sensors installed on selected windows and doors detect an entry into your home. And motion detectors may have been installed to recognize motion inside the house. If LYNX Touch detects an intruder, it sounds a loud warning tone and sends an emergency message to your central station. The central station is staffed by trained professionals 24/7 to make sure that the help you need will be on the way. LYNX Touch secures your home and offers so many convenient features. Let's review how LYNX Touch can protect your family. If you're staying home and arming the system, use the Stay mode. In the Stay mode, the system sounds an alarm when a protected door or window is opened, but otherwise, you can move freely around your home. To arm your system, the protected doors and windows must be closed or bypassed. A green bar on the touchscreen shows you that the system is ready to arm. To use the Stay mode, press Arm Stay and enter your security code.
Armed stay. Exit now.
You will see how much time you have before the system is armed. If everyone is leaving the house, use the Away mode. In the Away mode, LYNX Touch will sound an alarm if a protected door or window is opened, or if there is movement detected inside the house. Just touch Arm Away and enter your code. LYNX Touch counts down the time before the system is armed.
Exit now.
Disarming LYNX Touch is so simple. When you come home, it tells you to turn off the system.
Now.
Just enter your code.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
If you want to arm your system and it isn't ready, it will show you the open doors and windows. Just close them and arm the system. There may be times when you want to arm the system with a protected zone open, such as a bedroom window. If that's the case, use the Bypass feature. Select Zones, and LYNX Touch will display all of the protected areas. Simply select the zone you want to bypass, then press Bypass. Enter your security code, and the system shows you that the zone has been bypassed. From here, press the back arrow to return to the home screen, and arm the system normally. If you would like to be notified each time a protected door or window is open, use the Chime mode. In Chime mode, the system sounds 3 beeps and announces the open zone. To use Chime, press the More button on the home screen, then select Settings. Touch the Chime icon and toggle from Off to On. At this screen, you can also adjust the volume, brightness, and contrast of the touchscreen. It's never been easier to customize a security system to your needs. From a family message center to a speakerphone, LYNX Touch offers so many other benefits. For more information, please read the user's manual. It covers many helpful features that fit right into your family's lifestyle. Thank you for choosing Honeywell's LYNX Touch. It's protection that is truly perfection.